Hello everyone, in this video, we're going to explore some common phrasal verbs with get. These are frequently used in everyday English and will help you sound more natural. Let's dive in. First up, we have 1. Get up. This means to rise from bed or a seated position. For example, I get up at 7 am. 2. Get down, to lower oneself or to feel depressed. For instance, get down from the table. 3. Get over. This means to recover from something. For example, she needs time to get over her illness. Next, we have 4. Get by, to manage or survive. For example, I can get by with a little help. 5. Get along, to have a good relationship. For instance, they get along well. A 6. Get away. This means to escape or go on vacation. For example, we plan to get away for the weekend. Moving on, here are 7. Get through, to complete or endure something. For example, I need to get through this work. 8. Get ahead, to make progress. For instance, she works hard to get ahead in her career. 9. Get off. This means to leave a vehicle or avoid punishment. For example, he got off the bus. Let's practice. Complete the sentences using the correct form of a get phrasal verb. 1. I usually at 6:30 am. 2. They very well together. 3. We hope to for a few days next month. 4. He struggled to his illness. 5. She wants to in her career. Pause the video and take a moment to fill in the blanks. Then we'll go over the answers together. Here are the answers. 1. Get up. I usually get up at 6:30 am. 2. Get along. They get along very well together. 3. Get away. We hope to get away for a few days next month. 4. Get over. He struggled to get over his illness. 5. Get ahead. She wants to get ahead in her career. Great job! Knowing these phrasal verbs will enhance your fluency and comprehension. To sum up, we've learned some common phrasal verbs with get. Keep practicing them to use them naturally in your conversations. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.